This is the Headless Headhunter, and I am doing a resume review of Pednikz. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Anyway, they are looking for DevOps positions, although they also said if there's any full stack or backend, that would be fine as well. So these are the keywords that I'm going to be looking for. The first is a primary language. A lot of it's going to be in Python. Some of it actually said Java, although the Java was sort of tied to Java and JavaScript. So I assume they want more full stack for that, but I'm not really super sure. CI/CD, anything with cloud, AWS, GCP, Azure, core services, including those words, although those are, I believe, more AWS related, but I could be wrong. Anything with SQL, MySQL, pre-SQL, post-SQL, SQL, whatever. Kubernetes and Docker, along with cross-functional and the word DevOps. So those are the words that I'm going to be looking for. Software engineer with 2 years experience in Kubernetes, Terraform, and building custom tools for automated deployment infrastructure, seeking full opportunities. I don't know if this is necessary or not. I'm not a huge fan of intro sentences unless you're switching careers. I think that's the only real time I really want a career like a. So you want an intro sentence if something else is critically wrong in your resume that you cannot fix with a bullet point. Like as an example, you have 10 years of airplane building and you're looking to transition into cooking. You would need a summary to say why you're making that transition. But if you are a software engineer and you are applying for a DevOps position or a DevOps engineer, I don't think this is not necessary. This is fine. This is good. It's very short, quick. I like it. Software engineer. I think this could maybe be one line, but developed an open source Kubernetes controller extension for Flux CD in Go, fully integrating with Prometheus to collect and manage. So that's a lot of words, and the only thing I really cared about was Kubernetes. Um, so I don't like that. Let's see. Then it's migrating entire companies GitLab CI/CD. This is good. I like CI/CD. Saving hundreds of thousands of dollars. Nope, not really. Again, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure. So this is good. There is a chance that the recruiter or manager may not know that Azure is cloud. So you may want to say like Azure cloud or whatever services. Built a custom Terraform pipeline for AWS infrastructure. That's good. Cost estimates, development and Helm charts. Okay. So Kubernetes Go. So here's the thing. These are solid. Some of these are a lot solid, but I need them here. In addition, I don't see a primary language. I don't see anything with SQL. Maybe you didn't have SQL. That's fine. I don't see anything related to DevOps. Now, I'm sure people that are actually DevOps are screaming at me in the comments and be like, but like I need the word DevOps. I actually just need the word DevOps. Then we have Kubernetes was great, but I need a primary language. So I assume Python based on this, but that might be incorrect because I think that's related to Go. And then nothing with cross functional. And then we go down here, which is Postgre. This should be Postgre SQL, just to hammer it home, I think. Yeah, again, I don't see anything here. Again, SQL is good. Projects, yeah. So my big issue with this is it doesn't spell out in bright, shiny letters that you're DevOps. In addition, I don't have the right bullet points. So you are in chat with me right now. So after this video, I'm going to talk over how to make bullet points because this is I assume, bullet point problem rather than other issues because you've been at this for a little bit. It looks good. This is actually very solid experience. Um, but I'm not seeing the stuff I need, which is going to be down here written in the bullet points that I need. So there are sort of three types of bullet points primarily. There's going to be the summary sentence, which is your first one, and then it's going to be a tools of the trade. Tools of the trade bullet points are things that you are expected to know, but like you can't brag about. Like there's a using Outlook or creating an email. It is assumed that you know it, but you need to make sure that they know that you know it, but you don't have to brag about doing it. While skills are sort of how good you are or how you used a skill, which in this case I assume would be sort of less coding and more DevOpsy stuff to do your stuff. So those are the three main types of bullet points. There's a fourth for contractors, but that is a separate issue. And I'm now going to help you in chat because you were very patient. So if anybody else wants it, the link to that is down there in the thing below when I stream on Twitch to help people with their resumes, which I'm about to do now. So